Hey everyone, welcome back to Limpier's YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into the ultimate guide for deep cleaning your kitchen. Whether you're a cleaning pro or just starting out, we've got you covered. Stick around for some super simple tips that will have your kitchen sparkling in no time. Let's face it, the kitchen is the heart of our homes, but it can get a bit messy, right? No worries, because today, we're going deep, and I'm going to show you how to make your kitchen shine like never before. First things first, gather your cleaning supplies. You'll need some basic stuff: your favorite cleaner, microfiber cloths, and a bit of elbow grease. Let's get started. Step on, tackle those countertops. Wipe down all surfaces, removing any crumbs or spills. Don't forget to move those small appliances the dust bunnies love to hide there. Look at that difference! Your countertops are now ready to be the shining star of your kitchen. Next up, the floors. Give them a good sweep, and then mop away. It's amazing what a clean floor can do for the entire space. Voila! Now, doesn't that look better already? Don't neglect the fridge. Take everything out, toss expired items, and give it a good wipe down. Trust me, you'll thank yourself later when you can actually find what you're looking for. A clean fridge equals a happy kitchen. It's practically a rule of thumb. Moving on to the sink, it's where the magic happens. Scrub away any stains, and don't forget the faucet. A shiny sink is an instant mood booster. Look at that gleam! Now, your kitchen is starting to feel brand new. And there you have it, the ultimate guide to deep cleaning your kitchen. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more cleaning wisdom. Until next time, happy cleaning, and see you in the next video.